Hello and welcome back, guys, to the channel. I am your host, the Croissant Mafia.
And I am the Mama Croissant.
And today we're going to be making a quiche. The whole process takes about 45 minutes with 15-minute prep time and 30-minute cooking time. So let's get into the ingredients. So the first thing you're going to need is your pie mold. The next thing you're going to need is your pie crust. You could either use the puff pastry or the Pillsbury pie crust, but for this video we're going to be using the puff pastry pie crust. Okay, the next thing is going to be either pancetta or diced ham. You can use either one because either one will work, but for this video we're going to be using the pancetta. The next thing you're going to need is shredded cheese, and any shredded cheese will work. And finally, you are going to need 6 eggs. And some extras you're going to need are some seasoned salt to season your mixture and some Pam for your pie mold.
Okay, so first we put the Pam in the mold. And then I'm going to take the dough. And because it's not a round one, I pre-cut a part of it to make sure that we can go over. There we go. And then you just remove the parts that you don't need. Alright, now I'm going with the fork all around to make sure that the puff is not going to blow over. And then you take your pancetta, you just put it in there, and you make sure that it covers the whole circle. And now the oven is ready, sorry. And now the cheese. So here we are people who likes cheese, right? So maybe I put extra cheese, but you can put less. It's up to you. But the cheese has to cover the pancetta. And now I'm going to crack the eggs. Now, a little bit of seasoning, not too much because the pancetta is already salted, so you don't want to add too much salt to it. And now I'm going to beat the eggs. So what I like to do is to add a little bit of milk, which is optional. You don't have to do that, but for my taste, I like to add a little bit of it. So you make sure that the milk is blended with the eggs, and then you just pour over. So it's going to fill the whole pan, so you don't have to worry about that. And it's ready to go in the oven. Alright, so I preheated the oven at 370, and now I'm going to put the quiche in the oven in the middle, and I'm going to put it for about 30 minutes. And I will see you in 30 minutes.
Well, that's it for today's video, guys. You need to check back maybe after 20 minutes to see if your quiche is cooked thoroughly. Sometimes you might have to go a little bit longer than 30, so just make sure you check back regularly. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's very simple to make. And you got anything else to say?
It's good.
All
so
right.
enjoy.
Enjoy.
Bye.